You don't need 27 tabs open to do proper research anymore. NotebookLM just made that obsolete. Google dropped a new feature called Discover Sources, and yeah, AI has been helping us research for a while, but this is the first time it actually feels built for content creation. If you're interested in making dev explainers, technical walkthroughs, or launch videos, this changes your workflow. You don't need to go to a copywriter anymore. Here's how it works. You describe a topic, like quantum networking. NotebookLM scans the web and brings back 10 curated sources with summaries explaining why they matter. No fluff, no dead end results. Each source is specifically noted, clickable, and ready to build from. It's like Perplexity, but instead of quick Q&A, this gives you organized results designed to support structured content that you're probably making right now. And this is where it gets powerful for high-tech creators. You can turn those sources into brief docs, facts, even audio overviews inside the same workspace. If you're scripting product videos or trying to break down a complex concept in under 2 minutes, I mean, seriously, NotebookLM doesn't just save time, it helps you deliver smarter, clear, and more credible content. This whole upgrade runs on Google's Gemini model, so it's not just finding links, it's understanding why they matter to your specific project. That means your research isn't just faster, it's context aware. So if your job is turning complexity into clarity on video or anywhere else, NotebookLM will discover, and Gemini is a tool worth watching. So check it out. And as always, don't forget, you can get your free video content playbook. Just go to tubeflex.media and click the Order My Free Content Playbook button, and we'll build it for you. It is custom built for your tech innovation. So check it out. It's worth every ounce of it. 32 pages of custom built, interesting stuff. And as always, I got 2 videos for you. Click this one so you can hear about AI tools that are going to help you increase your productivity at work. And this one down here, the YouTube algorithm has selected just for you. We'll see you on the next video.